So Lucas, Marcus, Darius and Cyrus are together and they are going to prank their respective girlfriends, and 10 months ago his girlfriend also pranked him. And then the first prank is Cyrus with Brenda. Then Cyrus takes the phone from Brenda and Cyrus breaks Brenda's phone, and seeing this Brenda gets upset and there was a lot of Brenda stuff in the phone, and Brenda is asking Cyrus for a new phone. But then Cyrus gives Brenda her phone back and Cyrus manages to prank Brenda, and Cyrus breaks a prop phone and Cyrus has a lot of fun. Then it's Marcus' turn to prank Michelle, and Marcus has a water balloon and Marcus wants to pop the water balloon on Michelle, and Michelle also did a water balloon prank on Marcus. And on the roof Marcus is waiting for Michelle to come out, and when Michelle comes out then Marcus tries to pop the water balloon on Michelle, but Michelle escapes. And then it's Lucas' turn to prank Ivan, and Lucas is going to call Ivan by the name Lauren. And Lauren used to be Lucas' ex-girlfriend, and then Lucas is alone in the room and Ivan comes in the room, so Lucas calls Ivan by name Lauren by mistake, and Ivan also gets surprised and upset by hearing the name Lauren. And Lucas starts acting like he might have said Lauren by mistake, but Ivan gets serious and Ivan does not like hearing the name Lauren at all, and Ivan goes out of the room. And Lucas' prank with Ivan is also successful, and then Caio is put in the stroller in front of Brenda, and then secretly a doll is put in the stroller instead of Caio. And Cyrus knocks the stroller over and Brenda gets shocked seeing this, but Cyrus' prank is also successful and Caio is completely safe, and Lucas, Marcus and Cyrus is having a lot of fun pranking with their respective girlfriends. Then Marcus puts fake poop on Michelle's purse and Marcus starts calling Michelle. When Michelle sees the poop on the purse, Michelle gets worried. Marcus says that the dog must have pooped on the purse. Michelle does not believe that a dog can poop on the purse. Then Marcus tells Michelle that it's a prank and the poop is fake. Michelle is very surprised to see the poop. Then Lucas starts pranking Ivan again, and Lucas starts hiding Blue, and Lucas pretends to Ivan that Blue is lost, which will scare Ivan a lot. Then Blue is hidden with Marcus and Lucas tells Ivan that Blue is lost somewhere, and Ivan starts going crazy when he hears that Blue is missing. But then Blue is found by Ivan and Lucas' prank with Ivan is also successful.